Hi everyone, have you ever caught yourself wondering what makes someone absolutely irresistible to their crush? Spoiler alert, it's not just about looks, the secret lies in subtle, everyday actions that make a big impact. Get ready to uncover 7 powerful tips that can help you turn up the charm and create a connection that lasts. Number 1. Non-verbal behavior. Flirting isn't just about words. Non-verbal cues play a crucial role. Make eye contact with your crush, touch them casually but appropriately, and open up your body language. Eye contact, sustained eye contact can express your romantic interest and may even enhance their feelings for you. Just don't overdo it. Balance is key. Casual touch, a light brush of your hand against theirs while walking, or a brief touch when handing them something can subtly show your interest. Remember to keep it natural and respectful. Number 2. Sense of humor. A good sense of humor is a major turn on for many people. Make your crush laugh with witty remarks, clever jokes, or playful banter. Humor signals intelligence and can create a strong bond. Next time you're with your crush, crack a joke or share a funny story. If they're laughing, you're already winning. Number 3. Intellectual stimulation. Physical attraction is great, but intellectual connection takes things to the next level. Engage your crush in deep conversations about topics they're interested in. Be a great conversationalist by asking thoughtful questions. Listen actively and show genuine curiosity about their opinions. As psychotherapist I. M. Lowe says, captivating someone intellectually strengthens the connection. Number 4. Emotional intelligence. Demonstrating emotional intelligence can make you incredibly attractive, especially to someone seeking a meaningful connection. Show that you understand and regulate your own emotions. Empathize with their feelings. Connect with them on a deeper emotional level. Emotional intelligence isn't just attractive, it's essential for building trust and intimacy. Number 5. Uniqueness and authenticity. Cliché but true, be yourself. Confidence in who you are and embracing your uniqueness is a major turn on. Don't hide your passions or change yourself to impress someone else. Being authentic shows that you're comfortable in your own skin, and that's irresistible. Number 6. Socializing with their friends. Getting along with your crush's friends can make you even more attractive. According to Vanessa Van Edwards, founder of The Science of People, this shows total engagement. Make an effort to bond with their friends, joke around, be friendly, and make a good impression. When your crush sees that you've won over their social circle, they'll see you in an even better light. Number 7. Making the first move. Finally, don't be afraid to make the first move. Telling your crush you like them can be scary, but it often leads to reciprocated feelings. At the very least, it shows you're bold and confident. Whether you're a man or woman, being upfront about your feelings is a green flag and shows emotional maturity. Take the leap. So, what do you think of these tips? Did they give you new ideas to try with your crush? Remember, everyone is different, so get to know your crush as an individual and respect their boundaries. Let us know in the comments, what are your personal tips and tricks for winning someone over? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos on mastering the psychology of relationships.